Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of professional videography with the Neewer 74-inch Pro Video Tripod. If you're serious about capturing stunning footage, stick around because this tripod might just be your new best friend. Let's start with the basics. The Neewer 74-inch Pro Video Tripod is designed for heavy-duty use, whether you're shooting sports, weddings, landscapes, or products. Its double tandem legs, constructed from rigid aluminum alloy, provide remarkable stability with a maximum load capacity of 17.6 pounds or 8 kilograms. Now, what sets this tripod apart is its premium fluid drag pan head. This robust head comes with built-in smooth friction damping and a balancing system, allowing for 360-degree rotation and tilt movements from -75 to +90 degrees. Plus, the 3-inch bowl base with a 360-degree scale enables you to capture spectacular panoramic shots with fluidity and precision. Adjusting the height on this tripod is a breeze, thanks to its telescopic legs with 3 sections and convenient flip locks. You can extend it from 34 inches to a whopping 74 inches, offering you versatility in various shooting scenarios. And when it's time to pack up, it collapses down to just 36 inches for easy storage and transportation. One feature I love is the quick and easy mode switching. The fluid head comes with 2 QR modes, compatible with DJI-RS gimbals and Manfrotto quick-release plates. You can switch between tripod and gimbal shooting seamlessly, with just the press of a button. Plus, the side release button allows for quick plate removal for added convenience. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Neewer tripod comes equipped with 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch mounting screws on the top of the fluid head, allowing you to mount a wide range of devices, including camcorders, DSLR cameras, mirrorless cameras, and even telescopes. Plus, there's a 1/4 inch threaded hole on the side of the head for attaching external devices like monitors, microphones, and more. In conclusion, the Neewer 74-inch Pro Video Tripod is a game-changer for any aspiring or professional videographer. With its heavy-duty construction, fluid pan head, easy height adjustment, and universal mounting options, it's a versatile tool that will take your footage to the next level. Whether you're shooting weddings, documentaries, or vlogs, this tripod has got you covered. So, if you're ready to elevate your videography game, be sure to check out the Neewer tripod today. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gear. Until next time, happy shooting!